Did you know you can completely transform your body using just your own weight? In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful exercises that will significantly transform your body in just a few weeks. The last exercise is perfect for anyone short on time because it targets multiple muscle groups all at once. Number 1. Squats. Squats are a powerhouse move for building strength, especially in the hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes. While they primarily target your lower body, they also recruit your core for stability and rely on your upper back and arms to help maintain balance. What makes squats so effective is that they are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple joints and muscle groups at once. This not only builds strength but also gets your heart rate up, offering a boost to your cardiovascular health. Over time, consistent squatting improves flexibility in your hips, ankles, and knees, making everyday movements smoother and easier. As a weight-bearing exercise, squats play a key role in improving bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and promoting joint health by strengthening the muscles that support the knees and hips. They also improve balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and injuries, especially as you age. Another great benefit of squats is their ability to engage your posterior chain, the muscles along your backside, which are essential for maintaining good posture and preventing lower back pain. Since they activate large muscle groups, squats also stimulate your metabolism, helping you burn more calories during and after your workout. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, giving yourself 1 to 2 minutes of rest between sets. As you build confidence and strength, challenge yourself by increasing the reps or sets to keep progressing. Remember, proper form is everything. Master it to get the most out of this foundational move. Number 2. Push UPS. Push-ups are more than just a classic upper body exercise. They effectively target your chest, shoulders, and triceps while also engaging your core to improve stability and balance. This makes them not only great for building strength but also essential for everyday movements like pushing or lifting. One major benefit of push-ups is their role in supporting good posture. By keeping your body in a straight line, they strengthen the muscles that stabilize your spine and help prevent slouching, which is often caused by prolonged sitting. Push-ups also enhance shoulder stability, reducing the risk of injuries during physical activities or sports. Surprisingly, push-ups have benefits for your heart as well. They get your blood pumping and help burn calories. Their weight-bearing nature supports bone strength, which is crucial for long-term health. Additionally, as you move through the exercise, your joints produce synovial fluid, helping them stay lubricated and comfortable. Push-ups also engage secondary muscle groups, like the biceps and the muscles around your wrists, improving strength and joint stability. The motion of lowering and lifting your body boosts mobility and flexibility in your shoulders and elbows over time. If you're just starting out, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. As you grow stronger, push for 12 to 15 reps or experiment with variations like clapping or diamond push-ups to focus on different muscle groups. Take 1 to 2 minutes to rest between sets, and always prioritize good form. It's the key to staying safe and maximizing results. Number 3. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks might seem simple, but don't underestimate their power. This classic full-body exercise is a high-energy move that combines cardio with coordination, making it a perfect addition to any workout routine. By engaging your legs, core, and shoulders, jumping jacks get your entire body moving, increasing your heart rate and boosting cardiovascular endurance. This quick burst of activity not only helps improve stamina but also supports heart health and enhances overall agility. One of the key benefits of jumping jacks is their versatility. They're a low-barrier exercise you can do anywhere, requiring zero equipment. Plus, their repetitive, rhythmic motion can even help improve coordination and balance over time. For those looking to burn calories, jumping jacks deliver. Their high-intensity nature activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously, helping you torch fat and maintain a healthy weight. The constant motion also promotes blood circulation and revs up your metabolism. Another great advantage is that jumping jacks improve bone density by placing healthy stress on your skeletal system. This makes them an effective exercise for preventing bone-related issues like osteoporosis. Start with 2 or 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your fitness level, and gradually increase the duration or intensity as you progress. Jumping jacks are simple, effective, and a fantastic way to energize your body in no time. Number 4, plank. The plank is a simple yet powerful move to build core strength and stability. It engages your shoulders, abs, and back while improving your overall posture. By keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels, you align your spine correctly, reduce back pain, and strengthen your lower back muscles for long-term support. This exercise doesn't stop at the core. Planks activate your shoulders, upper back, and key muscles like the trapezius and rhomboids, boosting upper body strength and shoulder stability. Holding a plank also gently stretches your posterior chain, the muscles along your backside, enhancing flexibility with consistent practice. What makes planks stand out is their efficiency. They engage multiple muscle groups at once: your legs, glutes, chest, arms, and even your neck, turning a single move into a full body workout. Plus, the sustained tension increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn calories and manage weight effectively. Planks are also low impact, making them a great choice for people with joint issues or those recovering from injury. They strengthen your body without adding stress to your knees or lower back, which is especially beneficial for beginners or individuals seeking a gentler alternative to high-impact exercises. Start with 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. As your strength grows, push for longer holds or add an extra set. Advanced practitioners can aim for 3 to 4 sets of 45 to 60 seconds or try variations like side planks or plank shoulder taps to keep things challenging. Number 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic full-body exercise that combines cardio and strength in one seamless move. This high-energy workout targets your core, shoulders, arms, and legs while giving your heart rate a serious boost, making it perfect for building endurance and burning calories quickly. What makes mountain climbers so effective is the constant motion. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, keeping your body working hard the entire time. This not only strengthens your abs and obliques but also improves coordination, agility, and balance. As a cardio-intensive exercise, mountain climbers are fantastic for heart health and increasing stamina. The fast-paced movement helps improve lung capacity and oxygen delivery, making your body more efficient during other physical activities. They also help burn fat, making them a great addition to any weight loss routine. Beyond cardio, mountain climbers strengthen your hip flexors, which are essential for running, climbing, and jumping. They also engage stabilizing muscles around your shoulders, knees, and ankles, reducing the risk of injuries and improving joint stability. Start with 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds and gradually build up your speed and duration as you progress. To challenge yourself further, try variations like cross-body mountain climbers. Number 6. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate full-body workout, combining a squat, plank, push-up, and explosive jump into one high-powered movement. This dynamic exercise is a true test of strength, endurance, and coordination. Known for their intensity, burpees quickly elevate your heart rate, making them a fantastic way to boost cardiovascular endurance, improve heart health, and build overall stamina. By engaging major muscle groups, legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms, burpees deliver a comprehensive workout in just a few moves. They are also a calorie-burning powerhouse. Their high-intensity nature not only torches calories during the workout but keeps your metabolism elevated for hours afterward, supporting weight management and fat loss. The explosive jump in a burpee targets fast-twitch muscle fibers, essential for developing explosive strength and agility. Meanwhile, the plank and push-up elements strengthen your core, enhancing stability and protecting your lower back. What sets burpees apart is their efficiency. By packing multiple movements into one exercise, they provide a time-saving option for anyone with a busy schedule. Whether you're looking to build strength, boost endurance, or just squeeze in a quick workout, burpees deliver it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content. Thank you for watching.